In this video, we are going to show you how we can download the Python and also the Pycharm editor in our system. First of all, go to any browser and just search the python.org. And after searching this link, click on the download option. Just mouse over into the download option and then just click on the Python 3.12.5. So automatically our download will start from here. And after completion of the download, just click on this open file option, and this is our Python set of files. Just double click over here, and after clicking here, our installation process will begin. So if you are in the Windows operating system, make sure that you click on the add python exe to path, and after clicking here, uh, and click on the install now option, and it will installation process will again start from here. So it will take some time. Okay, you can see here our setup process is completed over here. Just click on the close option, and our Python installation process is completed. And again, go to the browser, and we need an editor to write the Python code, right? So just simply search the Pycharm download, and after searching the Pycharm download, just go to the download Python option, and after going into this link, just this is the inside the JetBrains. So just click on the download option. This is for the professional, right? So wait just a minute. uh, this is for the professional version, and community, this is for the community edition. So the community version is the free edition, so we have to download the community version and for the Windows operating system. And our downloading file is downloaded from here. So it will take some time to download because it is 465 MB file. After completion of the download, I will join with you. Okay, now you can see here our downloaded process is completed. Just click on the open folder option and just click on the double click on the Pycharm community. And this is the latest version of the Pycharm community editor. So where we are gonna do the Python code. So it is installing over here. Again, it will take some time to install into our system. So now click on the is, and then click on the next option, and you can leave the default destination folder, and you can create your desktop shortcut options and create association. Just click on the .py option, and you don't need to update path. If we put ourselves bin folder for the path, then we need to restart our system, so we can set up this path later also. So I leave the default, and an open folder as project. So okay, other option, you can leave the default or you can make the shortcut, and also click on the here option, this button, to make open folder as project option. So just I'm leaving the default and click on the now install option. It will take some time, so again when it will complete, I will join with you. Now our setup process is also completed. So just click on the finish option, and after clicking on the finish option, simply just go to the search option and just search here the Pycharm. So after searching the Pycharm, so Pycharm Pycharm community edition, so just click on the open option, and your Pycharm code editor will open here. And this is the latest version of the Python in this date. So just click on the I confirm, and you have to accept the license agreement, right? And click on the next option, and data sharing. So just click on the don't send option. Okay, and again it will open over here. So after that, if you want to create the new project, then just click on the new project option, and just to give the project name, leaving the defaults in the project name as Python project. And also you can create the git repository, and everything. You can set up your Python version, everything over here, and just click on the create option for now. And after clicking the create now option, it will create the virtual environment for me. So it will again taking some time. And after that, just click on this project option, and my project is loading over here. And just right click over here, right click on the Python project, new, and then Python file, and name as I can give here the demo. Okay, and I'm pressing the enter, and it is creating me Python a demo.py. And if you want to print hello world, then just type here the print and single or double quotation, and then type here the hello world. And after typing this hello world, just run the project by clicking here run demo.py, and it will take some time. And now you can see this is our output hello world. So if you get any confusion during setup this process, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.